So once upon a time, I would go to Chipotle, buy me a meal that would be healthy, help me hit my macros, and would feel satisfying to eat. But I'm telling you, nowadays, times have changed. I can't go there without my bank account getting bent the fuck over, leaving its bumhole 6 inches in goddamn diameter. Leaving that shit gaping, bruh. You know, I'm tired of my bank account
Edward Gray
getting raped. So I said, no more of this shit. You know, I always love me getting double chicken. But I ain't fucking with Mandem charging me a whole arm and a leg just to go grab me a bowl, cuz. I ain't playing with this shit no more. Just to hit my macros, I was shook, bruh. Like, this inflation is getting out of control, baby. I ain't finna get taken advantage of like this no more. The resolution was to take matter into my own hands. These Mandem being stingy with the double chicken and then always getting my order wrong every time I order online. So I ain't having it no more. And I was going to make the food way better, harder, fresher, and design the bowl my way. Take control of every single component, dial in on my macros, nail every single thing to a T. I ain't having no more. So ladies and gentlemen, the first thing we are going to do to assemble our Chipotle bowl way better than Chipotle ever could is we gotta marinate our chicken. Great things take time. Feel me? Right? You could cook the chicken in the microwave, take a few seconds. It's gonna taste like ass. But you take your time with this process, I promise you, you're going to have decadent, flavorful, moist chicken. Right, so this is how it's going to go down. Just like your grandma makes it. We're going to let all the flavors marinate with each other. First things first, I'm starting off with 2 pounds, not 1 but 2, of boneless, skinless chicken thighs. We're going to season these things up. We're going to grab us some garlic powder, salt, pepper, paprika, chipotle, chili powder, cayenne pepper, add some cumin, add some coriander, and optional is chicken shawarma spice. You try to make it like your boy. And add some lime juice. The special ingredient for the next step, we are going to grab some chipotle peppers in adobo sauce. We're going to throw those in your blender. You know, use the whole can, chuck the whole can in there, and add about a whole can full of chicken broth as well. This is going to make 2 servings, so you can use this in 2 batches. So save half for another time. Add some salt. You want to boost the flavor as well, if you want, of course. Pulverize it. And you're going to pour it out all over your chicken. Mix that shit up. Get nice and deep with it. With your hands. Right? And then you're going to let your chicken chill out until you lose patience. I'm recommending 4 hours in the fridge at least. I let mine sit in the fridge for a whole day. But you don't got to do all that. I say at least 4 hours. You could do 1 hour. You're feeling really impatient. It's all up to you. I'm saying more the better, right? So I just do this a day prior. After, a day later, or 4 hours later, whenever, gonna wash your rice. Might be getting a little controversial out here. But rice, that shit comes from the soil, bruh. I'm washing my shit. You guys can go straight, don't wash it, chuck it straight in the rice cooker. But I'm doing me. Like to wash my rice, throw it in the rice cooker. I like to wash my rice for 15 minutes. You know, get my fingers in there, get the starch off it a little bit. And then throw in the rice cooker. I'm putting in chicken stock. Major key. If you're going to use chicken stock with the rice, add about a whole teaspoon of salt, pink Himalayan salt. Add a little bit of some avocado oil. This is going to have your rice bussin', boy. Turn the rice cooker on, let it cook. Should be done about 20 minutes. Stat. And now it's time to cook up our chicken. Boneless, skinless chicken thighs. It should have been chilling in the fridge for 4 hours at least. 4 hours. After it's all done marinating, the flavors are done getting tuned with each other, you are going to chuck 4 to 5 pieces of chicken thighs in the air fryer for 16 minutes. Flip it halfway through. And then once it's done, you're going to rest the chicken thighs on a wire rack. Don't touch them for at least 5 minutes because the chicken is going to continue to cook through after you pull it out the air fryer. After that, we're going to design our toppings. I always fuck with pico de gallo. Chop up some Roma tomatoes, red onion, cilantro, a little bit of garlic, 2-3 cloves. I used about 4 tomatoes, little bunch of cilantro, 2 free cloves of garlic. Chop all that up, throw it in a bowl. Once you got it nice and fine like you, salt, pepper, add some lime juice, a little bit of oregano, so nice and fancy. You got pico de gallo. For the black beans, open up your cans. I like to rinse off the black beans. Using 2 cans today. Extra beans. Extra protein, extra fucking blood. Rinse those holes off. Add a little bit of store-bought salsa. That should be good for your black beans. For your guacamole, start by mashing up garlic clove or 2. Slice up your avocado. Scoop it out with a spoon. Mash that up. You could use a fork. You could use the pesto grinder, what I'm using in the video. It's all up to you. Be extra with it like me. Then chop up red onions, tomatoes, cilantro. I did not have any extra red onions, tomatoes, and cilantro lying around, so I just used my pico de gallo again. Call me a lazy son of a bitch, but I just folded it in. Add some lime juice, salt, pepper. So once your rice is done cooking, we're going to add that to the base of our bowl. So you can design your Chipotle bowl however you want. But this is how I like mine. I'm going to add the rice to the bowl. I'm going to add the black beans, mix with the store-bought salsa. And then I'm going to throw down my chicken. I'm chopping up the chicken thighs with some scissors. As you can see on the video, it makes your life way easier. Pro tip, chop them up with some scissors, bruh. Don't gotta use a knife. All the knives at my crib, dull as fuck anyway, so I ain't trying to fuck with the knives. Chop up the chicken. Next up, I added my pico de gallo. Then I added my sour cream. No, fuck that. We on a diet, so we added non-fat plain Greek yogurt. Higher protein, lower fats. Get way more jacked. Yes. After you add that non-fat plain Greek yogurt, you're gonna add some of your homemade guacamole. That'll be mouth-watering in your fucking face, cuz. Got your Chipotle bowl. Voila. Oh, yeah. And you're ready to enjoy. And boom. It's a fat ass serving like some fat ass white girls. You got a fat ass bowl you can enjoy. And you didn't have to sell a fucking whole kit to buy that thing, cuz. And boom, you got a fat ass Chipotle bowl while staying inside of your budget. Bada bing, bada boom. And this shit made multiple servings. I had this for 3 goddamn servings the next day. And it was finished within 2 days because I'm a beast. And yes, I actually split that first bowl into 2 servings as well, so this made me 4 servings, bro. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. Birds are chirping. Sun is shining. We eating good, baby. What more can you ask for? Feeling great. Oh, shit. The flies are out. Look at that. We got the perfect bite. We finna go in, boys. That dopamine hit. Next level, boys. Wash it down with some Dr. Brew kombucha, wild berry ginger. Feeling healthy as a motherfucker in this type of shit, bruh. Take some more bites. Holy fuck, boys. Goddamn flies keep fucking with me. Yezo. That shit is muy bueno. Muy bueno, bro. Y'all better make this shit at home. Save you some cash, get some higher protein, and motherfucking be in full control of the proper amount of nutrients you want to get in your diet. God damn, boy. So don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and share this video with your friends that try to make some homemade Chipotle at home. Yeah, let's get it. Peace out.